This line is to use random, and this line is to generate 10 numbers from range negative 100 to 100. And this line is to store the numbers in a list from later uses. And this function is to find the even number in the list stored. And the code means that when the number is being divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, it will be recorded for even number. And then the next function counts the odd numbers in the list stored. It goes to the opposite way as the last function. When the remainder of the numbers divided is not equal to 0, it will be counted towards the list of odd numbers. And the sum even function will do the job to add the even numbers together. Okay? And last, we have the print to print out the output information that we need.